Hey there, YouTube friends. I kind of have an oddball job I'm going to try today. You can see the irrigation cover right here is broken and I can't find the proper size to replace it. So I'm going to try to fix it today using Bondo. Okay, now I don't know if this is totally going to work, but I've used Bondo before. In fact, the bottom part of that door right there was all rotted out and I used Bondo to fix it. Now, the plan is I'm going to use this old planter that I had laying around, and I'm going to cut it out to the size of the irrigation cover, and we're going to see if we could patch this section right here. So don't know if it's going to work, but we'll give it a shot. Okay, first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take a marker, and I'm just going to outline basically where I have to create this patch. I'll just use my snips to cut it. Okay, now I'm just going to mark over here and make a slit. Just put it out like this. It'll go like that. And then I'll probably glue it to this plastic part and then fill the other side in with Bondo. That's the plan anyway. We'll see how it goes. Okay, I also have to get around this little protrusion right here. So I'm just going to have to cut out like a little circle. Not going to be too exact about it. Okay, so that patch is close to the way I want it. So what I think I'll do now is I'll just wash both sides, make it clean, wash both pieces. I'm going to glue it to the other side of the cover, and then I'll fill it with Bondo. Okay, now I have both pieces clean. I'm just going to take some Gorilla Glue, and I'm going to spread it out on both sides in both pieces. I'm just using what I have. This is an experiment. I don't have any preconceived ideas that's going to look wonderful, but I want to fix it because the dogs run around and I don't want their paws going through and having their paws torn up. So this is why we're doing this. A little sloppy with the glue, but that's all right. I don't think that'll be a big deal. All right. So I'm just going to leave it like that. I'll let the glue dry, and then we'll come back and we'll fill it with Bondo. Okay, so the glue sit on this. Now I'm going to use the Bondo. I got that at Lowe's, I believe. I'm just going to do a little at a time. So hopefully I have enough left to do the job. So this is the filler. And I'm just going to mix a little bit at a time. And this over here is the hardener. They give you a little tube. You just have to put a little like that. Now we'll mix it up. Okay, now that I got it mixed, I'm going to start layering it, and I'm going to work from this side over here. So I'm just going to build it up like this. Take a little at a time, work it in. Try to keep it flat to the top of the surface. And I'm gradually going to build it up. Okay, I'll just stop for there for now. And then I'll let this dry and then I'll put another layer on. Okay, this is good and hard now. I let it sit for about 30 minutes. So I'm going to mix up some more and put on another layer. Okay, we'll just let that dry. Okay, this is the third layer I'm putting on it. And as a side note, if you're going to use this stuff, you want to use it in a well ventilated area because it does stink. Right. So I'm just going to try to fill it all in and build it up and get it as even as possible. Kind of afraid I'm going to run out here. We'll do the best we can. Alright, I didn't get it as round as I would have liked it, but I ran out of Bondo, so it's going to have to be like it is. I'm just going to hit it with some 80 grit sandpaper and smooth it out a little bit. I don't want to smooth it out too much because it's textured over here. It's kind of embossed. I don't know if the camera could pick that up. But I just wanted a little rough over here. So I'll sand it a little bit and then we'll spray paint it. And now I'm going to give it a quick coat of paint. And give it another coat after it dries. Okay, there's a final look at the irrigation cover. I could have done a better job had I had more Bondo, but that'll do the trick. I don't have to worry about the puppies getting their paws caught in there. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. More DIY videos to come. See you next time.